subjunctive, right? You gonna watch me now?
Yeah.
Okay, subjunctive. It's feared. Did you turn this page?
I did.
Right? Setting, stormy night in New England campground. Teacher and students are sheltered in tents. Flash of lightning reveals menacing shadow of monster. Teacher, eek! The subjunctive. Students, go ahead, students, go.
Quick, grab something, let's kill it before it gets us.
A little more motion. Ready? Go.
Quick, grab something, let's kill it before it gets us.
Students hate to learn it. Teachers hate to teach it. Why? Students never get it. Why? Well, for one, students are waiting to get it. And waiting to understand never works. Can you say that with me? Waiting to understand never works. Do you believe me or do you not believe me on that? It's true. If you wait to understand, it never works. It's like sitting in a car, waiting for it to start, but never putting the key in. What are you doing in there? Just waiting for this car to start. Oh, really? I'm gonna have to write you a ticket. You know? You get a ticket waiting for your car to start. Yeah? You're not going anywhere. Okay. You have to engage it. You have to pick up your pencil and take a stab at it. For a long time I called it the subjunctive. You see how it's spelled? Junk. Yeah? Yeah. Yeah. It was a bunch of junk that never made sense no matter how I explained it. Then I made the timeline and the labels. The labels really help. For example, P is what? And PSJK is present subjunctive. You can see that there's a P in PSJK. The P represents the fact that we're still dealing with the just another form of the present. That's all it is. It's just another form of the present. So what does PSJK mean? Tell me what PSJK means. Go ahead. Read it. It means what? P means it's just spelled differently. Are they communicating the same thing? Yes, they're communicating. Is this going to work again? Let's try the same thing. They're communicating the same thing. Question, why change the spelling? In order to represent has had an impact on the sentence. Okay? It pleases, me gusta, the monster to eat students. I'm not the monster, so alright, I'm sorry. It pleases, gusta, the monster to eat students. Now, look at this. The students are afraid that it pleases. Now what happened to pleases? Guste, the monster to eat students. Do we still have the monster? It pleases the monster to eat students? We still have that, right? All we did was we put in front of it, the students are afraid that. All we did was put a type of phrase in front of a statement in order to change the spelling. Okay? Yeah? Now I want you, real quick. This page. '31. Too often we spend a year inside of tents and forget how they are set up in relationship to each other. It's the order they're in that makes them make sense. If you are going to just spend all this time with PSJK, right? Present subjunctive. You're going to spend all this time with present subjunctive and you're not going to think about how it relates to the present or how it relates to P-ing, then you're missing something. You're really missing it. Okay? Turn the page. What do you get? No, I'm sorry. We're all the way to 39. 39. 39. Woo! Is everybody there? Everybody still here? Yeah? Yeah? How's that birthday hat?
It's good.
Pretty good?
Yeah.
Okay. So, now what? Can we kill that monster?
Hopefully.
Yeah? Why is PSJK on the dotted line? Let's talk about that. Why is PSJK on the dotted line? Answer.